What's up? What's up? What going on, my beautiful peeps? Big up on yourself, whether on the yard or abroad, you know the thing said. Yeah, man, yard man style. Always are fully active, and if you're not active, you know, make no sense. Yeah, you know, say, then I'm yard and pretty. Yeah, man, like a country pretty yard, fully active. Yeah, man, also, down my gungo tree. So these are some gungo. You know what I mean? Fully active. Yeah, man. So we can put all them in some rice. You know what I mean? So, me there you know in our yard, as me I say, yard look beautiful. We have a lot of flowers in the yard. We have some, right now we have some rose. Yeah, man, the rose they look pretty. I have some nice roses on our feet. Look at them. Yeah, man, pretty. See the same way. Because you know the thing said, when it come on to Christmas, Father God make all them flowers them choose for bloom, so that's nice. Fully active. Yeah, man, butterfly, everything in the yard. But what go on here now, you know, say, I want to go in the bush. Yeah, man, I want to go in the bush to see what I can find. If I can find a couple of fruits. Yeah, man, flowers pretty as it. Fully active. And you know, say, just remember if I go show some love on Sydney Diamond channel, you see it, because at the same time as she there right now, so she want tour, so she want to go walk in the bush and see what she can find. But me I tell her, I say it's not really, you not going to really find a whole heap of things in the bush, you know what I mean, because you have to go deep in the bush and she can go deep in the bush, but anyway, I'm going to make she feel comfortable by just give her a little tour in the bush same way, you know what I mean. Hopefully nothing no touch her skin although I tell her say she have to prepare. She say yeah she good and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go in the bush and now me and she and the animals them and you know what thing said. I always say fully active, you know. Yeah man. Fully man. Big boy. Yeah man. So right now, you know if we go in the bush, I have my cutlass in and I have my knife. I have to travel with my car key and I have my phone. I have my little clipper, I have my bag, so anything I find I can put in it. Yeah man. Fully active. So right now I bush me a head for. Yeah man. And peeps remember say if you not come to Sunrise place and you want to tour the bush, bring your sneakers, bring your tall socks, bring your pullover and bring your long pants, you know what I mean? What you say now? You ready for the bush?
Yeah, you're telling them to bring everything I forgot to bring, so.
Yeah.
Because he told me once I was already here. You guys get to know before.
Yeah,
so.
because I didn't know that you always want to go to the bush. And
Yeah.
you know, say the one got the bush, and I tell us if you bring them.
Yeah. Well, it's just my feet that's going to have a problem. I have the shirt, so maybe if something falls, the GoPro is going to stop it from hitting my face, so.
Well, let's see. I'm just going to take her to the softest part in the bush.
Don't tell them that.
Yeah, I'm telling them that. I'm going to
No, we're going to go to a really hard part of the bush. And...
No, we're going to a soft part because I didn't prepare. So
Okay.
next time when I come back to Jamaica, you know, say, oh, I want to go deep in the bush, so you got to prepare.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so going to start out easy this time, you guys.
Okay, yeah, well, peeps, we're going in the bush now.
Okay.
Yeah, man, we just pass my house and turn go up in the bush. So when we reach further in the bush, we make you know what.
There's a little bit of a cleared space.
Yeah, we're in the bush for 10 seconds. How it feel?
It's harder than I was picturing, like cleared ground and like trees. I wasn't picturing.
Well, no.
It's nice. It's just
Okay.
yeah.
You see
No,
why
stop.
you
You're
say?
trying to make me turn back already.
No, I'm saying, you see why I say you gotta bring like your tall pants and stuff?
Yeah. Okay.
Well, let's do it.
Alright.
Yeah.
The dogs are helping us too.
Yeah, now we in the bush. I gotta show you what you gotta watch out for. You know what I mean? Okay. So far, see, we have a cobweb right here, spider.
Oh, that's like more than a spider. I think. What is that? It's like really big.
Okay.
When I get closer, I'm gonna show you guys. There's like a giant spider. Maybe like.
Yeah, see, peeps, you gotta watch out for these spider webs and all these stuff. See it? Look at it. Yeah.
Look at these flowers though. Pretty.
Yeah, these flowers are pretty, but when you're in the bush, the less bush you touch is better for you, because more time you have wasps and stuff in the bush.
Okay.
So look, you want to catch a video for that because I'm gonna...
Do you think there's gonna be anything I'll be allergic to or something?
No.
Okay. Oh my god, wait before I... You guys, look at this giant spider! No, stop!
No, it's good, I'm just taking out the cutlass.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, man, see the spider? So you just gotta use a cutlass and take it out of your way. Yeah. See? That's how we do it. So see, you don't have to kill him. You can leave him, make him live. But you wanna pass, so you just clear your way. You know what I mean? And okay, now you're just gonna walk straight through. Don't touch nothing, just come straight through.
Alright.
Okay. No.
What happened?
What?
What?
Yep.
Did not you?
Yeah, that's an insect from in the bush.
I know. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright.
You just stop, don't come.
Okay. Was I saying it wrong? I was saying noni.
Yeah, it's the right name.
Noni?
Yes, you get noni. They use it to make juice.
Yeah, maybe we should still take one and put it in our bag.
Okay, so you can show them what you get.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna take the ripe one.
Okay. Which one's right?
Hopefully no washes around. Let's see. We got a ripe one over there.
Got stuff
See?
falling on me. Where? Okay.
Look at it.
Pretty.
I don't love how this fruit look.
Why? Kind of looks like the outside of a pineapple.
Yeah, for
I
real.
think so. It looks nice. We're gonna pass it up. And look, aren't these almonds on the ground?
Oh yeah, there's an almond. Yeah, peeps. You just find a noonie. So you say put it in the bag.
Yeah. Where's
Okay,
the bag?
that's the first thing you find in the bush.
Okay.
Yeah, noonie.
And we should get an like an almond too.
Almond? Yeah, we have a lot of almond. Look on the floor.
But those ones are good or no?
Yeah, they're good.
Okay.
Yeah,
There's
this
what-
is
there's an
noonie.
almond on the
Everywhere me
ground.
turn in the bush, me can find noonie. You know what I mean? Yeah, cause see a tree there. Yeah, man, a tree is right there. Small tree, and look at it. All heap of noonie.
Maybe it needs to dry. Okay, so far we have a noni.
Yeah, so we are go further in the bush. You know what I mean? And wasp just bite me in the bush already, so you can't take it out on our channel. I think she catch me when me run.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know, but it's so sad. All right, here. Do you want to put this?
No,
on the back?
when you come back, you can take up the almond.
But I already have it in my hand.
Okay,
It's not gonna
thanks.
be heavy.
Okay, so we gonna almond and we gonna noonie.
Yep.
And you love in the bush too so far.
I know. See.
Okay.
Okay.
So we are go further in the bush now. You know what I mean? Yeah, and see how far my land come? This is my,
Still your land?
yeah, see? This is my peg. So the whole of over there is my land. It's just me to chop it up, to chop it down and clean up.
You're gonna chop it up? It's
Yeah.
kind of nice. It's like this.
You see my peg, the whole of here, go
guys,
down
look, this
there, go back around there. Is my land. Yeah.
Amazing.
It's amazing. So right now we are going up in our bush there. 45. Around 45 I leave the way.
Thanks.
Okay, go straight
Oh, this
ahead.
part's easier.
Yeah.
Flat and open. No problem. Is there more noni or there's only one right now?
Noonie? What's that?
Giant spider web.
Oh, spider. Okay.
Maybe I can
Just
pass
take-
through this way instead.
No. Just walk through the chat. Less bush you go through, it's better.
And my shoe fell off. Everything is like prickly and pokey and... Wait, it's still on my shoe.
Okay, I supposed to be at front. Let me clear,
Okay.
yeah, let me clear the path for you if anything. And step where you see my feet step.
Okay.
Yeah, sun is hot up here.
Yeah, I know. We just have a shade too.
Yeah.
I'm already sweating. Yeah, because this stuff is
See?
easy.
Everywhere you go in the bush,
Oh, look, more wasps.
more spider.
Kind
Oh,
of
yeah,
near you.
those wasps like just flying around in the bush, but if they come off the nest, they're gonna bite you.
Okay.
Yeah, if
Oh,
you
so you stepped on the nest?
yeah, I stepped sideways the nest. See, a lot of pretty flowers also in the bush.
Look at the purple flower over there.
Okay,
Oh,
oh yeah.
what's this? Jason, look.
Well, to be honest, it's have a name, but I don't know the name. So maybe if somebody know the name in the comment section, they can tell me.
Yeah, but it's a food or no?
No, it's not a food, but I don't know it's what. It have some form of seed inside it.
Hmm. Nice. Looks like it's from a different planet or something.
Well, let's see. Let's see.
Maybe I'm gonna put my hat on now.
Oh, you feeling the sun now?
Yeah. It's like it's good to protect you from the sun, but
Peace.
it's quite stupid.
We're there in the bush, fully active, just a get a bush tour.
Look at the hat. Something poked me.
What this step?
Something stabbed my leg.
Let's see it.
No, I don't see anything, but I felt it. Okay.
Yeah, so we're going deeper in the bush. We're going deeper in the bush.
Yeah.
20th, come. 20th, come. 30th, come. Yeah, come. You come,
look
you
what
come.
They just circle me.
Yeah, you come.
You guys look, the dogs are circling me. Alright, well. Okay.
See somebody else up in the bush? Walking,
Where?
going home.
Oh, I don't see them.
Look, way up that side. Up that's you see
Oh.
she in a yellow. She gone further on. I don't know if you can see again.
Cause you're. Oh look, what's this? A pepper?
No,
Oh, but it looks like a pepper there. Flower again.
it's not a pepper.
Okay. We found not a pepper.
Okay, still going through. Yeah, a lot of nature is in the bush. And this is just something growing up over our
A
top.
mushroom maybe?
Yeah. You can just show them whatever you want to show them. Just show them the nature of the bush. Anything you see and it look pretty. Yeah.
I don't. No, it's not 28. Someone. Maybe it's 38. Because one of them stepped on my foot and I thought it was something. Okay, guys.
Yeah, that's how the dogs are do it in the bush. Dogs are just step and they do what they want to do. Fully. See, we reach a pass now, so you're good now. Yeah. Whoosh. We made it. Up here is where we cut our sticks.
It's what?
Yeah, up here so is where we cut the stick, the post for the house.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
For the Airbnb.
See, it's more nicer now.
Yeah, some shade.
Good pass.
Oh, this is a pretty plant. That one's nice. I think that's good, like air purifier. I need to get this one off my heel.
Maybe, oh, you stand up in ants nest, maybe.
I know, look. On the other side too.
Oh, yeah, they're gone.
They hurt so bad, like they're also on the floor, like.
Oh, yeah. See, I stand up in them too as well. Look at my feet.
Get them off, get them off.
Yeah, that's the bush. That's why when I come in the bush, you gotta prepare.
It's like once they bite you, it just stings and stings and stings for like way after.
And see, we find a sauce up in the bush.
Oh, where?
See one here?
Oh. I never would have noticed. Okay, we're doing so good.
So we're gonna draw it on the tree. Ah.
Oh, there's a little one too, but that one looks not nice.
Yeah, but you guys, look at this. This is fit and ready to go.
Yeah, that one's nice.
Yeah, for real.
You want me to hold this so you can get it?
Yeah, for real. So we do it a yard piece. Just find a nice source of. Yep. Yeah. Fully. So I'm just gonna pick it and put it in the bag.
Okay.
Yeah, man, that's how we do it.
Oh, my feet now are killing me though.
28 chilling, 45 happy, and 38. What happened to you now? You're happy? You're happy. You're so happy to the 45. You're so happy. 45 glad for the walk in the bush, peeps. Even 45 glad for the walk in the bush. Yeah. 28, the right side, this side. 45 on data gone. 38. Fully active. So we're going to go down this hill now. Yeah, we have to go down the hill. Yeah.
And in the camera, you just want me to walk?
Yeah. Yeah, find one avocado also. Look at it. But something bite it, so you know, say you can't go get that for use. You have to leave that so animals them can eat it. Some pear.
They like it?
Yeah, come pear.
But Jason just gave the avocado to the dog.
Come.
Jason takes it.
Come,
I tried to give
touch
avocado
it.
to my dog before.
Come touch it. See, 28 eating the pear. You want avocado, you mean 28 enjoy that yeah, girl. 45 I eat 1 2, you know what I mean? I want 45 I mash it up. So why you don't catch a clip off of this?
No, I just did.
Oh. Yeah man. You're eating some avocado.
I got 38, a clip of 38 eating.
God damn, you want to share them and eat so. I saw it go. What I can't get for car home, them will eat, that's why I and go bush together. So them I eat some avocado. Me not find none to eat so.
Oh, what's this one? Or that's the pit?
Hmm?
The thing right next to that. Is that the pit?
This?
Or that's something else, yeah.
No, this is pear seed that come out the pear.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yeah.
Alright.
So let's go further in the bush and see what we can find. Come like a lot of pears up in the tree. I gotta come back next day to climb it. Yeah.
Oh, why not today?
Can't see that we gotta have a bag or something to put it. Look there, peeps. The next big one right there. Splash out. But the trees them is way up. Yeah. So it is what it is. Going further in the bush. Let's see what we can find.
Yeah, alarm's going off.
Yeah, when you see 45 in the bush smelling like that under the avocado tree, that means we have avocado somewhere.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So they must be on the ground.
Yeah.
Okay, let's search. But maybe they're gonna be overripe then.
See one here?
Ooh!
Oh, yeah,
How did you find it before 45?
because in my search.
No, but
It
you
don't
found it.
ripe.
Let me see it. So guys, we found an avocado. Oh, it looks perfect actually.
Yeah, but we can't eat this today because it don't ripe.
You sure it's too hard?
Yeah, see,
Okay. Well, we
let's,
can bring it back.
let's see if we find any more. 45 here, let me find this one. 45, we're looking for the ripe avocado. That's why I just give it to them so they can help me search. Oh, see, I found one more.
Oh, really? Yeah. You guys found
I don't know if this one is ripe. No, it's
No?
not ripe.
So why are they dropping if they're not ripe?
Because they fit, so it's gonna let go.
Oh, it's too hard.
Yeah, it's not gonna ripe in the tree.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we found 2.
Maybe, what about over here?
Maybe if I search, I will find more. See, we find 2 good avocado.
We found a lot of stuff.
You feeling happy now?
Feeling happy. It was all worth it.
It was all worth it. Come, yardman touch.
Hold on. Yardman touch? No, you know how you have to do it? When you do this and then go like this. Like
Oh,
that.
you
Ready?
wanna bust it off?
Yeah.
Okay.
You never seen that before?
No.
Oh, it's like a
Yes.
greeting, I guess.
She touch and make we bust it off. Okay.
I taught
I'm
him
looking if we
something
can find a ripe avocado.
So where is the tree though? It's this one?
No, see that? See the tree behind you?
Here?
Yeah, that's the that's the tree.
Yeah, this is the avocado tree.
But it go tall up in the sky, so you'd have to look way up to see it.
Yeah, how are you spotting it then? Just by the dog?
No, I know the tree, and I know where in the bush the trees are. Yeah. Good one. So look
Maybe
at,
I'm not gonna come all the way in there.
no, you're good.
Okay.
Just looking if I see any more.
Okay. So when do you think tomorrow they'll be ready or more time?
No, I think those 2 that we find going ready by Thursday. Maybe tomorrow evening also. We will see. Yeah, I'm only there in the bush 45. around 45. That's when in the bush peeps. Yeah, that's so deep the yard. Alright, so we're gonna put those tools in the bag and move along again. We find 2 avocado. I didn't search up here. So this is the tree. This is the tree piece, but it gone way up in this. Not here. Yeah.
Oh look, it looks pretty up there. What's up there? There's some sort of house or something.
No, it's most maybe somebody farm that raising some pigs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Maybe I'm sure you look a clip of that. Somebody raise some pigs. Pigs.
I have so much footage already.
Yeah man, so I put them in the bag and move on again. Yeah. Make it.
It's not cherry
You know,
tomatoes.
somebody little farm now. Yeah. Yeah, I think I don't really know it's too far one, but we're just taking a look, you know what I mean? Yeah. Make her she see how the thing set. So that's some tomato, but now they're young.
Yeah.
And they're green, that's why they don't ripe as yet.
But they're gonna be big. They're not like the little cherry tomatoes. It's the
No,
big type of tomato.
no, they're gonna be big.
This person really wants plantains. You leave?
No. Yeah, is the dogs that go up there, go around the hog pen. Let's see if we have hogs there. We're just looking. So if you wanna even watch your video and see, we're just looking. Yeah, see?
I smell.
Yeah, they have one.
Let me see. Can I get out?
No.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Here's
there's
a pig. It's crazy. Lisa, okay, it has a lot of space, which is nice. If it was too crowded, it would be mean. Let's see what's over here.
Yeah, maybe they're making more.
Okay.
So,
So yeah, it's nice over here, you guys.
we're gonna move along and go further out to see
Go
what's
further
going
this way?
on. Yeah.
Okay, I just want you to picture the pig on my phone. Oh my god.
Well, okay. Now we're on the anisberry tree.
Oh,
Let's see if
yeah,
we
I see it.
let's see if we can find it.
I see some ones that look good over there.
See, I found one, but it's not ripe as yet.
Oh, so it's a gooseberry.
Yeah, see. See one more here.
Awesome.
This one is ripe.
This one has mold, I think.
No, no more. It drop off of the tree, so when it drop, it's gonna bruise.
I think I didn't try this one so far.
No, but you're gonna try it now.
Okay.
Yeah, it's some gooseberry peeps.
That's so nice. That one is good for juice or no?
Yeah, it's also can make juice. And when you finish eating gooseberry, I'm gonna show you the nutting egg tree. Remember I say you want to see a nutting egg tree?
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna show you a nutting egg tree.
Yay, because
Where
we
we're
used
gonna
that to
eat
cook the other
gooseberry.
day.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Okay.
open it and make you try it.
Okay.
This is your,
Ooh, it kind of looks like a peach, the inside.
yeah.
Okay. Wait, can you cut me maybe like half of this? I could cut in half. Okay.
Yeah, the whole of that is there and it's
I want
gooseberry.
to get a shot of me eating it now.
So let me know what you think about the gooseberry.
All right, you guys, I'm going to try the gooseberry.
But it's nice, everybody love it.
Oh, it's so good. It's good.
Everybody love gooseberry. Yeah, man.
Make my tongue itchy, though.
Huh?
Making my tongue itchy.
No, maybe chew it have a little grain on it.
I'm a bit allergic.
Oh, well, I don't know.
Try it and see if it makes your tongue itchy.
No.
Huh?
Mm.
Really
Nice.
good, but it's making my tongue really itchy.
Okay, well, we're going to the nutmeg egg tree now. Next fruit.
You want this piece?
Give
I
the
don't wanna
animals.
cough.
Animals, they're eating gooseberry also. This is for you 38. And this is for you 45. See there, 45. And that is for you.
Certain fruits make my tongue itchy.
Yeah, so we're going out to the nutmeg egg tree before. This is a nutmeg egg tree.
Oh,
These are the nutmeg eggs.
that's what it looks like?
Yeah. So inside here you find the nutmeg egg.
It's interesting, like all the outside of the fruits kind of look the same, and then it's like the inside that
Yeah,
looks
it's
different.
inside. You gotta split it and you see the nutmeg egg inside.
That one's ripe or no?
No, it's not ripe. When it's ripe, it opens on the tree and the nothing egg drop out
Okay.
and leave the shell, but I'm just gonna cut it open and let you see
Okay.
what I'm talking
We
about.
still add it to our collection because we found it.
Yeah.
Oh, look how pretty, guys.
Yeah,
Kind of looks like a peach also.
that's a nothing egg.
Okay.
So that can go in the bag, and when you go home, you open it.
Oh, we open it at home?
And show you.
All right.
Or you want to open it now?
No, we can open it at home so then we can see everything together.
Okay, so now you see a nothing egg tree, what it look like, peeps. It's a big tree. Yeah. Very big. And let's see. Maybe you can find under all tree. Yeah, let's see one here.
Oh, what's that? Oh, that's the actual nutmeg inside.
This is the actual nutmeg.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's good. I'm just gonna crack it, and the nutmeg is inside.
So maybe bring this one in the bag also.
Yeah, so see. Let's see one more here.
Okay. So the dogs don't like this one, I don't think.
No.
Why?
These
It's sweet.
Yeah. So nothing. Each time you look, you can find them under the tree. See? Yeah. So we find some nothing egg peeps, and she see what the tree look like. So we're going to something else. Yard one style. Put them in a bag, you know. Yeah, you know, so by walking in the bush, she must thirsty. So I just go pick one up one jelly for her to eat.
I still don't understand what the jelly is.
Aunt Peeps.
You getting you?
The jelly is chew the meat softer. The coconut, the meat is tougher.
Oh.
The jelly meat, you can eat it with a spoon or
Oh, I know what you're
something.
talking about now. Okay. So it's ready for jelly or not yet?
Yes, jelly.
Okay.
And a lot of fans catch me right here. Look, see? Look there, don't go near. All of this is ants. Bite you. So, we have a jelly. You can drink when you reach further down in the bush. So you go in the bag too. Yeah, I don't really need a jelly, so I'm just gonna give her that one. So we go in again.
One got on me. Thank you. Oh, look, it's right there, the ant.
Yeah, I take it off. Yeah, let's go.
Ow.
It's ants.
That's crazy, just one bite and it hurts so bad.
Yeah, so we're going further down in the bush now.
Oh, we're going further still?
Yeah, are you ready to go home?
Maybe go.
You ready?
Well, what else could we maybe find?
We don't know. We're searching the bush. Come walk where I walk.
All right, search for 10 more minutes.
10 more minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, she crying. I told her that the bush was not an easy task. She's like,
No,
okay.
I like it. It's just my feet. You know what? If I would have had the socks, everything would have
and
been
it's
perfect.
sneakers.
Yeah, everything would have been perfect.
Next time on your way coming to Jamaica, you get one. Yeah. Right, I'll go through here so you know. Gonna make a Laughing farm. Yeah, man. Place pretty and nice. Yeah, it's really pretty over here.
It would have been nice too if we brought food and we could have had like a picnic over here.
She wanna have a picnic in the bush.
I'm not getting it.
This was the farm I was telling you about. This is
So nice.
one of
Oh look, yeah, what are they growing down there?
Ella farm. Yeah, we're gonna pass there.
Okay.
It looks like sweet pepper. But walk out on the edge here,
Okay.
because they plant stuff in the middle of the farm.
I see. Okay.
So walk out here so you don't step on the farm and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. When you go into the farm, peeps walk on the edge.
You want a farm?
Just like how you can see, say.
Walk on the edge. Ooh,
Yeah,
what's
the,
that?
the pepper them small. Look, all of these is plants, you know. These peppers, so if you don't look good, you're gonna step on them. See, down there is the taller one.
Is this one cocoa?
Yeah.
You're not impressed?
No, so you know cocoa.
Come on, that's impressive.
Yeah, that impresses. And this is a guava.
I could tell the cocoa from the leaf. That's impressive.
Yeah, and this is a guava tree.
Guys, he's not.
Oh, you mean I'm not? That's nice, you know.
Oh, I thought you said it's not impressive. So take back that. He's impressed.
Come.
It's kind of hard because it sinks the dirt.
Yeah, so there you know, I see if we find sugar cane.
So pretty, like sugar cane.
This is a guava that just fall off of the tree. Yeah, this is a guava.
Oh, so pretty.
There's a guava tree behind it.
Ripe, I think, right?
Yeah, it's ripe.
Oh, so those are the baby guavas?
No, the guava tree behind that tree.
Oh, then what's this one?
I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're there in the bush, you know, fully find the next guava. Yeah. On the farmer, you have some nice sweet pepper. Nice sweet pepper. Nice. So when you come in the bush, we don't touch things like these because it's somebody's farm. You know what I mean? So we don't need to pick any sweet pepper. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm just saying, I'm just showing them a sweet pepper, but I'm telling them that we don't need to pick any because it's somebody.
Yeah, because it's someone's farm.
Yeah, somebody's farm. Yeah, whenever we go in the bush, we hunt from just after the trees that grow wild. But if somebody plants something, we're not gonna touch it. That's somebody's farm. You know what I mean? But I'm just showing you a little clip of what's going on. Yeah.
Oh, there's another one here.
Yeah, a lot is there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Really active. One thing in the bush is cool. Yeah, man, the bush is cool, peeps. So we're going further down.
It would have been so nice if we could
bush.
find a pepper though.
Huh?
Or, like if we could find a natural pepper growing, that would be nice.
Natural pepper.
Like wild, like not on a farm, but if we
Oh.
find one, that would be nice.
See over here you have the hot pepper. Over here is the Scotch bonnet pepper, peeps. Wow. They look big and pretty. Look here. Look at those Scotch bonnet pepper.
This is such a nice farm.
Yeah, for real.
Oh.
Yeah, nice pepper. See?
Here's another type of pepper we found.
Yeah, these are the hot one in Jamaica. We call it Scotch bonnet.
Is this Scotch bonnet? This looks like the sweet pepper.
No,
I would have got
sweet
messed
pepper
up.
is the one that up there. This is the Scotch bonnet.
Oh, sweet pepper is that where?
Sweet pepper is the one.
Oh,
that's up there.
okay. Oh yeah, they're bigger.
Yeah, this is Scotch bonnet pepper.
Okay.
Yeah, a lot is here.
Oh, this one's so nice.
Yeah, nice farms. But that's what we say. We only take videos and go through because it's not our farm and the farmer is not here, so we didn't get a chance to ask for anything, and we're not going to tell nothing without him here, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, just a walk through. There's a lot of pepper.
Is it bad to walk through with you?
No, it's not bad. Just don't step on anything and just don't touch nothing and we're good. Yeah, peace. So it's it. So we're there now actually. She just around the next 10 minutes, so I guess I'm ready enough to go home. Yeah, man. Maybe next day we'll come back in the bush again, come show you some things, but
That'd be
now
nice.
we're going home. You ready?
Yeah. Just
Okay.
my feet are ready, that's all.
Okay.
Oh, there's a bug on you. Ah, it's not leaving.
Oh, a bug, that's
Yeah.
the least. Well,
That's the least?
yeah, so
No.
big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember to go check out our channel.
Yes, Sydney Diamond. Thank you.
Yeah, fully active right now. Just I go up here now, and that's it. We give her a little tour of the bush and we find some stuff, and it's just the vibes. Yardman style. Peace and love.
Boss production.